Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to delete a Prime Video profile on your smart TV. Open your Prime Video app and it will display this profile picker icon. Now any of the profile that you want to delete, just go and select this pencil icon and it will open the editor page where you can change the name, image, lock profile, but it requires the web access and the streaming language, and at last you have this remove profile option. Because my profile is a primary profile, then so I cannot delete myself, but if I make any other profile as a primary, then I would be able to delete my profile. So yeah, here you can see the option to remove profile because this is not a primary profile. Once I select remove profile, it will just delete all the Amazon account details as well as my history which I have browsed on the Prime Video. In this way you can manage your profiles and even add a new profile in your Prime Video app on Smart TV. Hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.